Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to improve your credit score on Experian. Alright, if you've been wondering how to improve your credit score on Experian, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to do that in a very quick guide. So let's just get straight into it. The first thing you want to do is to ensure that you make on-time payments, because payment history accounts for 35% of your credit score. So making on-time payments is crucial to getting that 35%. The second thing you can do is to reduce debt. So high credit utilization can definitely negatively impact your credit score. So you want to reduce your debt by paying down balances, and that's going to help you to clear that up. So also you want to avoid new credit inquiries. So applying for too much credit in a short period will definitely negatively impact your credit score. You also want to make sure that you regularly review your credit reports to ensure that it's accurate and up to date. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to improve your credit score on Experian. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.